SCY 16102 cars. High-speed drift monster truck electronic stepless speed regulator. Increase the speed as much as you increase the throttle with brake function 1.5 kilograms precise. Steering gear the same as a real car. The steering angle is controlled synchronously with the remote control, which can accurately control the steering angle. Precise steering servo. Make the high-speed car speed up to 38 kilometers per hour. And the battery life is also very good. The use time is more than 20 minutes. Enable high-speed cars to achieve all-scale precise and delicate control like driving a real car. And the remote control distance reaches 80 meters. Make high-speed cars better and faster in corners and over the mountains. Wading through mountains and rivers like walking on the ground. Conquering all kinds of road conditions. Strong power. Rushing to various complicated road conditions suitable for various road sections. No pressure on slopes greater than 45 degrees. Full-time remote control 4-wheel drive system. Large professional off-road tires. Better abrasion resistance. Stronger grip. Unique tire pattern. More suitable for various road conditions. Unique off-road professional big tires. Both proportion and performance are worth having. Reasonable heat dissipation system. The motor is not easily damaged. And the metal transmission shaft, so that you are not easily damaged during driving. Create a hardcore body structure. High-speed and large torque. Model level RC 390 motor. Distribute power more scientifically and rationally. And exert stronger power. Professional powerful power system. The whole car adopts 14 high brightness LED front headlights with sufficient light. Allows you to drive outdoors in dark places without obstruction.